What's up, guys and girls? Raj here. So this weekend I did not release any new video, and I just wanted to give you folks a quick update. So I'm going to AWS Summit, Washington DC, happening from tomorrow to Wednesday. So 3 of my talks have been selected, which is great. But what that meant was I had to work a lot for last 10 days, last 2 weeks basically, to manage my regular workload as well as work on the presentations, dry run, practice, speaker notes, etc. But I'm super pumped. So I'm gonna travel to DC tomorrow and come home Thursday. So this is the website for AWS Summit Washington DC. Those of you who live in the area, feel free to register there. And then after you register, if you go to the sessions and then you can search my name, you should see the sessions I am doing. So I'm doing 3 sessions. One is on monitoring and observability for containers and serverless. So I'm doing this with another fellow AWS container specialist architect. And then I'm doing securing container and serverless applications. This one I'm just doing solo. And also the serverless and container better together. So these two are like presentations and talks. The serverless and container better together is a chalk talk. So you folks know I love to whiteboard. So this one, I will have a whiteboard. I'll go over different serverless container features, what service should be used what. So it's definitely an honor for me because a lot of folks try to get their talks selected in AWS Summit. And this is one of the prestigious AWS Summit. This is a public sector summit. A lot of folks attend this. So I'm definitely humbled and honored that my sessions were selected. So yeah, but that kept me very busy. Next weekend is the long weekend, so I have some stuff planned to be recorded. So next weekend, I should be able to back to the normal schedule. And if you want to see behind the scenes, how the event is, follow me on Instagram. I'll try to post pictures and videos. Whenever I go to like a new places, I try to post my travel pictures from there. And another thing I wanted to touch upon, I always get lots of messages. These days, I'm getting a lot of messages from freshers saying that they want to go into cloud and DevOps. What should they do? So the first advice I have is you have to learn the basic foundation before you go into advanced stuff. So I see a lot of folks just ignore Git, GitHub, all that stuff. If you are a fresher and you go for a DevOps interview, you will be asked Git, GitHub questions. Also, before you ask, how can I contribute to open source? What should I do? What kind of projects? You need to know how to navigate Git, GitHub. Then only you will be able to contribute to open source, right? So don't ignore that. So I'll give a link up top for my free Git and GitHub 1-hour tutorial. And also don't ignore system design basics. Sometimes folks just try to do a lot of advanced stuff, think about what kind of use case design they should make with Kubernetes, serverless. But you need to know the basic stuff like high availability, scalability, cost efficiency, security, how the basic building blocks can be attached together to build like a basic 3-tier system design. So I'll also give a link to that for the system design video in my YouTube. So take a look at that. And then from there, start building on it. I also need to do the 30,000 subscriber question answer video. You folks sent me a lot of questions. If you have not, feel free to comment it and put your question there. I'll try to include it if the question is interesting. And the question doesn't need to be technical. If you have any personal question about my life, I'll try to answer it as much as possible. All right, folks, send me your best wishes and good vibes for these talks. I just finished practicing and dry run. I'm recording this video pretty much. This is like 11 o'clock Sunday night. Pretty much worked through the weekend. Traveling tomorrow. Again, I'll try to post some pictures and stuff from Washington, D.C. So if you want to see those, follow me on the Instagram. I'll give the link in the description. All right, folks, that's it for this one. I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. Bye.